Hello, good afternoon. This is David Soto talking to you. Today is my free daily signal for October 4th, 2019. Today is Friday, and this is just the start of the New York session. And the market is actually pretty active today. Normally on Fridays it's pretty kind of slow, but today is moving pretty good. And the signal I want to share with you is for New Zealand dollar, US dollar, NZDUSD. Okay, if I put it on 30-minute chart, we see that we have a excellent time to sell right now. It looks like it's definitely getting ready to go into a downtrend. So most likely you could go ahead and place a sell trade and be safe. But what we want to do to be 100% certain, we see the price has shot down and shot back up again, right? And it marked this point right here, okay? This point is not by accident. This point is very, very intentional, very on purpose. And what I want to show with you is if I go here and I draw a trend line, okay, and I go from this point up to this point, okay, the second point, we notice that all these points right here pretty much line up on purpose, okay? It's not perfect, but if I go to a 1 hour chart, you can kind of see it a little bit better. Okay. But anyhow, this right here is your support line for your uptrend. Okay. And what we're looking for is for the price to break below this support line before we actually sell. Okay. And one very effective strategy that I like to use is draw a Fibonacci from the previous arrow here going up to the current arrow at the highest point here, okay? And where the 23.6 level is, where it crosses this trend line, I call that X marks the spot, okay? And this is where the price is going to break through when it finally does. It might shoot back up to this resistance level here, but eventually it's going to break through. Okay, and this is about where you want to place your pendant order. Okay, I would place a sell stop pendant order, and I would place it a little bit below. We have a marker right here that says 0.63 020. All right, and that's where I would place my sell stop pendant order. And we go right here and set your sell stop at 0.63020, like I said, and place that, and it puts your sell stop pendant order just below this 23.6. Now you can do one or two things. You can wait for the opposite blue arrow to occur. With this being Friday, your trade would be hung open until Monday, possibly Tuesday. Okay, so I don't necessarily like having trades open over the weekend if I can avoid it. It's not a big deal, but the thing is, anything can happen over the weekend, and we don't know because the market's closed. So I would set a small take profit, and you can use this tick point right here. What's going to happen is the price will break through here. It's going to come down to this level, bounce up again, and then eventually it's going to break through and come down to this level. That's going to take some time, right? Might take a whole 24 hours or more, and that's not going to happen this Friday, of course. But I would set a take profit. Now watch this. I'm going to go here and modify my order, and I'm going to make a take profit at 0.62910. I'm just looking at the tick mark right here. Okay, so this way it gives me some decent amount of pips, right? I get 110 pips out of one trade. Okay, so that's not bad, and at least I don't have to worry about this trade being hung up over the weekend. It should come down here in the next couple hours, and then it'll probably take about another 2 hours or so for the price finally hit that take profit. Okay, so we're looking about another 4 or 5 hours from now before this actually closes, and that would put us close towards the end of the market and be perfect timing. Okay, so anyhow, this is my free daily signal for today. NZDUSD sell. Make sure you draw your trend line. Make sure you look at your Fibonacci, and you'll be perfect. Okay, for as far as your entry point goes. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions about how to trade this or any of my other Telegram signals. As you see here, I've probably posted at least 10 signals today in my Telegram signal group. If you have not joined my Telegram signal group, please do so. This way, you know, I can assist you if you're trading, and we can analyze trades together. Okay, and if you do not have my Excalibur trend indicator that you see here, you know, contact me and I can give you a copy of that as well. But with that said, let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you, and have a wonderful weekend.